This is the Takamaz J-Wave Plus. We've removed several of the guards for demonstration purposes only. All right, Joe, go ahead and run that cycle. Okay. Now, since we don't have parts, we can't run the loader in automatic cycle, but we'll jog the functions.
Down.
Okay.
Distance forward. Backward.
Do that again. That's pushing the part into the chuck. Okay.
Lower finger open. Closing. Open. Unlower finger close. Open. Arm in. Down again.
Send it back home. Yeah. Let's show the conveyor. Okay. Yep. And then the load station, open and close that.